A cool feature that ExpressionEngine templates have is something called embedded variables or embedded template variables. And what this allows us to do is when we declare the embed, or when we say, hey, include this file here like we have with our header and footer and aside, we could also set up special variables, and from the file that we're including the files on, pass a variable down into that. The format is by just putting what looks like an attribute here with the name of the variable that you want and then the value of the variable. And then in the included template you say embed colon dog name, or embed colon and then the name of the variable. The way that we're going to use this on our site is in our header to give us a custom head tag or title tag for every page. So let's go ahead and see how this works by going into our home template, and in the embed equal embeds header, put a space and type title. Title is going to be the name of the variable that we're going to pass to the header embed. Now, if you're worried about things like namespacing, a nice thing about template variables is that they are namespaced specifically to that embed, so you don't have to worry about title being a variable name somewhere else. And what we're going to put in here is what we want to appear as the title, or as the title of the page that appears in Google search results and on the top of your browser. And we're going to say here for our home page, we're going to say EE Freelancer Portfolio Website. And if we're on the About page, we could change this title but still keep the actual embed the same. So go ahead, finish this, and then come back to our embeds header file, and where before we had hard-coded a title on that would appear for any page that used this embed, we'll delete that and use the ExpressionEngine format, which is embed title, and that will take the variable that we created in the index page and display it here in the header. Let's go ahead and save this and see what that did to our template. When you refresh it, notice that at the top now it says EE Portfolio Website. This is what we declared from within homepage. Top here, title, EE Freelancer Portfolio Website. Now this is a very powerful feature in ExpressionEngine, and we could look even in the aside if we wanted to create a title and some side content. We could even start dynamically changing these, but at this point we'll just leave it for the title tag being the one dynamic thing.